everyone, it's Janay, and today I'm coming at you with a new YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to climb the pole. So if you don't already know, I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor, and here on my YouTube channel I talk about all things pole, including giving you tips, tricks, and tutorials, and whatever else I feel like. Now, I've been seeing a lot of y'all getting poles for your home, which is super exciting, and I'm so happy for y'all because pole dancing is just super fun. It's fun as hell. I love it. But I know a lot of y'all are beginners and have never even taken pole dancing classes before, but you're teaching yourself at home, and the one thing I really want to stress to you guys is that safety is paramount over everything, okay? You want to be as safe as possible when you're pole dancing, especially if you are trying to teach yourself. But that is exactly why I am making this video. For anyone who is brand new to pole dancing, I want to give you the proper technique on how to climb so that when you're practicing on your own, you are able to climb safely and properly, minimizing your risk for getting hurt. But before we even get into this tutorial, you guys, definitely make sure you're subscribed because I don't want you to miss a thing, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected, so you can see all of the cool little pole stuff that I post on there. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so climbing the pole is all in the technique. So let's go ahead and break it down what every part of your body is doing when you're getting into your climb.
So let's start with our hand placement and where our hands are going to be. So you want to take one hand. I'm taking my right hand and place it right above your head on the pole, and then just take the other hand right under it. Notice how my hands are close together and there's a slight bend in my arms. Now let's take a look at our leg placement and what's happening there. You want to take one knee and bring it up nice and high, pressing into the pole. Notice how my knee is on one side and my ankle is on the other. From there, you want to pull up, bringing that other leg around to the front of the pole, squeezing it between your legs. Here's another angle so you can see exactly how your leg should be gripping the pole. Notice how there's contact from the inside of my knee, down the side of my shin, all the way to my ankle. Also, take a look at what that other leg is doing. It's swinging around to the front of the pole, and the pole is being squeezed in between your thighs, knees, shins, and ankles. Now this is what your climb should look like all together. Bringing your hands right above your head, that knee comes up nice and high, pressing into the pole. Back leg comes around, come up, and now your chest should be to the pole. To come down, just slightly release your legs and you'll start sliding like I am here. And here I'm just showing you another angle because I really want you to see the direction that your body should be moving when you're climbing. So notice how I'm using that back leg to really push my body away from the pole and then up. So notice how there was space between my body and the pole, and now there's not. So again, you should be pushing your hips and body out and up, bringing your chest to the pole.
Alright, so that is how you do your basic climb, but what I want you to do now is try it on the opposite side. With every trick that you learn in pole dancing, you want to try it on both your right side and your left side. So with this climb, I showed you how to do it with your right hand on top and your right leg in back of the pole. So I want you to go ahead and switch it up and put your left hand on top this time and put your left leg in the back. So let me go ahead and show you what that's going to look like.
Now let's get into some exercises that will help you get better at climbing. First, try climbing multiple times. Now, if you have low ceilings like me, all you need to do is one climb, slide down without hitting the floor, reposition your hands, bring your legs up to do another one, and then just repeat that. This one's a little more challenging, but you can change your grip and actually use your forearm to help you climb. Now notice how I position my hand and my forearm right in front of my face, and then I use that to press my body out and up to climb again. And if you're really looking for a challenge, try climbing from the floor. So notice how I'm pressing away with my forearm to bring both of my legs up at the same time, pressing my body out and up to finish my climb. So that is your basic pole climb, you guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure to practice this regularly on both sides and really build up that strength to do multiple climbs. This is one of the key movements in pole dancing, and if your goal is to progress to doing aerial tricks and inverts, then you really want to get this down packed because having a strong climb will get you to that next level.
Alright you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if there are any other tutorials that you would like to see from me. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you to miss a thing, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.